Here we have a system of exponential equations which we're going to solve by reducing the base all down to 2. Notice that 2, 4, 8, those are all common powers of 2. In case you didn't know, 2 to the 1 is 2, duh, 2 squared is 4, and 2 cubed is 8. So we're going to reduce these two 4's and this 8 to a base 2. So let's watch carefully as I do that. I'm going to say 2 to the x equals 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared to the y, and then I have power to a power. Whenever you have power to a power, you multiply exponents. This gives me 2 to the 2y. There's one equation now that has base 2 for both. I'm going to do the same thing for the second equation. 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared, and this is being raised to the x. 8 can be rewritten as 2 cubed, and this is being raised to the y plus 1. I'm going to do power to a power on both of these to give me the following expression. I get 2 to the 2x equals 2 to the 3y plus 3. Power to a power means I multiply, so 3 times y plus 1 gives me 3y plus 3. Now we have two equations. Let's actually, I'm going to bring this guy back over here and say this is 2 to the x. So I have two equations. 2 to the x equals 2 to the 2y, and 2 to the 2x equals 3y plus 3. Now you're thinking, oh, these look pretty scary, pretty gross. Actually, not so much. Now that the bases are 2 for both of the equations, I can say, I don't even need the 2's. These can go away. And I'm just looking at 2y equals x. So I have x equals 2y. And here I have 2x and 3y plus 3. So I'm going to set these two things equal to each other. So now I have two equations, x equals 2y and 2x equals 3y plus 3. You can either use elimination or substitution to solve this problem. I'm going to go ahead and use substitution. I have the fact that x equals 2y. So, well, if x equals 2y, I can take this 2y and substitute it directly in for that x. This is going to give me 4y equals 3y plus 3. I'm going to subtract the 3y over and then divide both sides. Well, I don't have to divide by anything. If I subtract 3y over from the right to the left, I end up with y equals 3. And now that I have y equals 3, I can plug y equals 3 back into any one of these two equations to find x equals 6. And that gives me my answer.